Hello, everyone. Welcome to episode 3 of Banjo and Kazooie. I'm your host, Codyak Bear. All right, so we're going to jump right back into this. For a sudden epiphany, I remembered where the last ones are. Eat it. Oh, man, you can't even, punch them? Man, I hate these guys. Suck it. Suck me off. Honeycombs. I love honeycombs. I didn't want that last one anyways. Fuck it. I don't need it. Boom. Kabanga. There's a Jinjo. I'll be dreaming about this tonight. Just hearing that sound in my dreams. Ooh, extra life. Can't go wrong with an extra life. Right. Oh man, I gotta just enjoy the ease of this game right now because it gets so much harder the farther in you get. Okay, so that is all of these ones. And let's not forget the one outside. So I mean, I guess I could go around and get all of the musical notes, but I don't see a point in doing that right now, so maybe I'll go back later and do it. Alright, teleportation, baby. Yeah, Bear's got that. Can't go up there? Why can't I go up there? How do I get up there? When you open world door. Baddies escape from it. Oh no. Oh, I'm stupid. How do I look? That's how I look. Alright. I just want to get up there. Oh. Oh. Okay. That's right. You guys are like, what? I'm like, yeah, I gotta be an ant. The ant's the only one that can climb up the super steep hills. So let's grab that one. I'll be right back. And welcome back. Okay. See, I told you. Oh, maybe I was wrong. No, I was right. I was right. Suck it. I was right. To anybody who said I was wrong, fuck you. Okay. I'm gonna go be the bear again. I'll be right back. Back in the saddle again. Alright. Okay. Now that we have more puzzle pieces, we can move on. All the ones in this area. She's so gorgeous. Oh man. It's like the love of my life. Big nose. Estranged eyes. Who doesn't love a girl with gaps in her teeth? I'm a fucking loser. 50. Oh. Oh, I don't have 50. What do you guys say? This is a note door sealed by Grunty with one of her powerful musical spells. Open it up then, Jammy Jam. It's not that simple to open it. You must collect the musical notes from the worlds. How many do we need? The number on the door is the strength of the spell. The combined total of your best note scores from the worlds must be at least this to break Grunty's magic. Oh, we're good. 69! Whoa! Yeah, you dance. You dance, little bear. You dance. Oh, yeah, dance. Look at that dance. Good dancer. Oh, fuck. Got past, unfortunately. You're last. Hello there, young ones. I'm Gruntilda. Gruntilda's nicer sister. I've crept down here to help you defeat the old hag. It's about time she was taught a lesson. I know all of Grunty's disgusting secrets, and I'll tell you 3 of them every time you find me. Remember them well, young ones, as they will help you avoid a fiery fate. Press X if you'd like to hear them. Oh, hell yeah, I want to hear them. What dirt you got? Grunty brushes her rotten teeth with salted slug-flavored toothpaste. Ew. She also washes her hair with engine oil. Yuck. Okay, by the way, snails and slugs are adorable. So, yeah, just saying. And she gets her clothes from the trash can. Well, it's a very specific trash can. Okay, I just want to see... Oh, fuck that guy. Die, motherfucker, die! Okay. Just take a look around, because I did get those. Okay, we're not going up there yet. I can't do this yet. I know where I need to go to get that. And I think there's more stuff down here. Yeah, there's the pot, and like you gotta like jump into it. And it'll take you places. I got 52. I'm good. I don't need more eggs. Shit, I can hold 100. So, well, let's get up there and let's hit up the next world. Okay. Oh. Oh, I can't do that. Alright. Remove pieces that you've already put down. Move the right. I already know! You already told me this! Okay, so treasure trove. If I remember correctly, this one, I spent a lot of time here as a kid. Again, like I told you guys, though, like when I played these as a kid, I was a kid. So it was a lot more difficult. Now that I'm playing it older, you know, I'm 24 years old, I shouldn't have as difficult of a time. Oh man, that's a level. Where's the treasure trove level? Am I just dumb? I might just be dumb. Yeah, I'm probably dumb. Let me find this garbage. I bet it's up here. I bet it actually is up here, and I'm just stupid. Let's find out. Let's find out how stupid I am. The best thing is I can cut most of this. So. Actually, yeah, this is getting cut. It's getting cut until I find Magic cauldron. Okay, treasure trove. Here we go. A jumperoo. Okay. Get those, cause Jinjo! Jinjo! There's 2 new moves, okay. No man. No man, I gotta get the Jinjo. No man, there's a Jinjo! You ass. I got the Jinjo. I got the Jinjo. Run! Okay. Q Shark. Not Shark Week here. Yeah. Skills. I got them. Skills that kills ills daily. I shouldn't rap. Take those. Oh, this guy. Yeah, I remember this guy. Let's fight him. Hey, this Nipper's beach. You find nothing without Nipper's help. Help us then, crustacean brain. Grr. Cheeky bird need feathers clipping. Oh yeah? Just try it, shellhead. Man, you know, we probably wouldn't have to fight him if you weren't such a dick. No, wrong button. Oh, you suck. Feeble eggs, no match for Nipper's shell armor. Oh man, I know what I gotta do. Wish me luck! Okay, that didn't work. Got him! Ha! Got him! I'll let you have this one. Okay. Oh, fuck! I have no depth perception with him. There we go. Yeah. Nipper. Stupid Nipper. More like loser. Yeah. What now? Get these notes. I don't know if has anybody ever played, if you played Diddy Kong Racing, leave a comment, man. That was a good game. I used to play that game all the time too. N64 was like my game. It GoldenEye, uh, other stuff. It's great. So good. We got our first puzzle piece here. We're moving on. We're making motions known in the world of banjo kazooie. So deep. I'm so deep. I'm like the deepest. Like a deep pit of despair. Okay, so we gotta learn the jump pads. And then there's one other move. I have no idea what it's gonna be. And so, this blubbery lagoon. Yes, I called him a blubbery lagoon. Ahoy there! I'm Captain Blubber. See, and I lost me treasure when me ship. We'll go find it then, blubberguts. But I can't swim. Can ye help an old sea hippo? Sure, we'll find it for you. I think I have to go like in the ship. If you go in the boat, Banjo. Stupid. Okay, yeah, there it is. So let's get some air. We're gonna go around. This is when swimming was hard as shit. That's how I swim. Swim like that all the time. Just a big swimmer. Big swimmer. Okay, so the next, we gotta get in there from this side. And I hope I'm right. No, I'm not right. Oh, that's the other move, is the flying. Because we can fly. Because there's a bird involved. This is your big chance, chicken legs. It's time for you to fly. At last, it better be easy, bug eyes. Simple enough, even for you, bird brain. Just stand on the flying disc and press A. Here's 25 red feathers to help you into the air. See ya. Okay. I don't want to fly just yet. I want to take care of some other stuff. There's a Jinjo. Jinjo! There's a treasure chest. And there's a pissed off shark in the water down here. I can't remember how to get... Oh, that's out. Good bloop. See? See, I'm a problem solver. Bet you guys didn't realize that, huh? Yep. Now you do. I'm the solver of all problems, man. Maybe not all problems. Like, I solve Banjo-Kazooie problems all day. All day! Okay, now I just need... depth perception would be nice. Ecom bokum. I should just be happy there's a bird underwater. Oh no. Okay. Up and at 'em. Here's your stuff. Yeah. Me treasure! Thank ye, hearties. Take this reward. I'm off to spin. You go have some fun, Mr. Hippo. Mr. Blubber Hippo. Yeah. Alright, so that puts us at 2. We gotta keep an eye out for our Jinjo friends. Oh yeah, and I gotta... Man, can I climb that? If I can climb that... Yeah, I gotta climb it. Okay. Ow! I thought that was like kind of just like ow. I do that in my day-to-day life when I get hurt. Maybe this game rubbed off of me more as a kid than I thought. Oh man, I didn't read what I was supposed to do. Oh no! Oh no! Oh no, you don't. So you can take to the air by standing on a disc and pressing A. Oh, I'm dumb. So you can only fly as long as you have feathers. If you don't have any feathers, you're screwed. And apparently I can only carry 50 feathers. That's all I need. I'm too boss to need more. Way too boss. Oh, Jinjo. Oh, Mr. Jinjo, let me save you. I'm gonna help you. helped you. My life wasn't complete until I saved all the Jinjos. Now we gotta get on here. If this doesn't remind you of old N64, then I don't know what will. Oh, I need a spring pad. So I think I'm gonna need the spring pad before I get up here. Nope, we're good. We're good. What's back here? Okay. And on top of there. Remember, kids, jigsaws are not toys. Okay, you can book them. Now up here. I do need the spring pad for that one, I believe. Yeah, I totally do. Okay, well, whatever. Fuck me, right? Now we just gotta find the spring pad and we'll be good to go. Okay. Who's with me, man? All I'm asking is who's coming with me? Who's coming with me, man? We gotta go. No! He's just gonna keep eating me. Okay. Oh, I need that skull, though. Oh, when I can fly, it won't be a big deal. Find a fly pad. Fly, fly away! Most awkward going upstairs ever. Oh, yeah. Okay. Go now. And we're out. Okay. Good mission. We did it, guys. Okay. Mr. Bomb Guy. If I'm not mistaken, I think there's a jigsaw piece down there. If I could look over the actual edge. Yep. Okay, the bomb will eat our faces off. So there's another way. I gotta remember how to do that one. How to beat the bomb. That didn't work at all, guys. What if I butt blast him? That's not how you do that, guys. That's not how you do that. How you do the butt blast. Okay. That worked so well. Let's go in. We're going in. That's right there. Oh, we did it. We're so good. We're so good. Alright. Got that one. There's a Jinjo. Mr. Jinjo. Come here. Hi, buddy. One more. We got the Jinjos. Yeah. I love the Jinjos. They actually become like a bigger part to the story on the in the second one. Well, I don't remember there being a Mumbo here though. I don't think Mumbo Jumbo's here. Let's see what's in here. Eggs. Eggs. Excruciating pain. Okay. There's what I was looking for. If we can get that, then we'll be good. I think that's like everything. I don't think you can learn anything else. Oh, there's something with that rock over there in the water. Okay. You'll reach new heights with my shock jump. Spring. Does Kazooie do it? Don't worry, the turkey does all the work. Simply stand on the shock jump disc, then press and hold A. Nice going. You've learned all the Cove's new moves. Woohoo! You can boke 'em, baby. Oh, there's a Jinjo. Okay. Only skilled bears and birds can do this. Only skilled bear birds. It's the last Jinjo in this area. Oh, look at that. We got a gamer picture, guys. How special are we? Okay. I want to go up here real quick. Smash your face. Oh, there's supposed to be over there. We're just wrecking. Oh, no. Oh, no. I can't see nothing. Okay. And off we are. Let's get some more feathers while we're here. Here we go. Caw-caw! Caw-caw! That's 5. All right. That's going to call it good on this one. I want to thank everybody watching. And remember, don't feed the bear.